Good, that was good. Let's make a right turn out of here.
Really
Yep. It's a good idea to come through here.
It's a really new environment.
Yeah.
You know?
P3, that's the parking level 3 we want to find. And it's just above us. Right now this is P2, parking level 2.
Alright.
P1 is street level. And we're going to find the ramp to go back up. We're going to go up. So we're going to find a ramp to go up. I take a picture of where I parked my car in Toronto. So I can use it.
Absolutely. Already forget.
Here, it helps me with
You kind of gotta remember like the logic and how things work, or maybe make up your own. Really.
You found it. That's right on.
Yeah.
Now we got to find the ticket machines again.
Aw.
So I'm not going to help you here.
Okay.
Just
Yes,
observation. Just kind of observe. If you're in Toronto and you're not familiar with an area, you're going to have to look around for the signs, right? The clues of where to go and use your signal.
I always joke about the hats. I don't know why.
Really?
I always joke about it just 'cause the logo looks so cool.
So, doesn't matter which one. Now again, try and get that
I think that's
very, very slow. Because in case you do bump into something, you want to bump into it really slowly so you don't do any damage. That's awesome. Good on. Yep. That's how you do it.
Okay, I'm out.
So now there's you see the
Put it in
the
here.
barcode. See the barcode there, the symbol. Turn it over. Turn it over. There you go.
Okay.
So you gotta, it's gonna be facing up. Yeah. There we go.
Thank you.
There's like a little monkey or something in there that grabs your ticket.
like a little iguana.
Like a banana.
Sticking its teeth in.
Yeah, an iguana. Yeah.
That was actually good. I like the little there's that whole like rant about it where
searching for greatness in a sea of the dying to shame.